How you doing? This is Ron with 123 Extermination. Just confirming our appointment for 7 o'clock.
I'm sorry?
This is Ron with 123 Extermination. Just confirming our appointment for 7 o'clock.
Alright, for the theater?
That's right.
Okay.
Alright, well, that's right. Make sure that it's already in the notes. It seems like somebody was already talked to, but we need to make sure that Theater 4 and 6 are closed, because with the fumigation, there's no way that anybody could be in and out of those.
For what period of time?
For 48 hours? Did you guys not go over did you guys not look at the procedure?
I don't know, dude. I'm on my busiest day of the year. I haven't, it's the first time hearing about it.
Oh, okay, well, you know what, to tell you the truth, whatever asshole over there decided to schedule me after Christmas, this is my, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to be rude, but for some reason someone wants to schedule at the busiest time of the year.
Yeah.
So.
Do you know who it was
No, I'm just sent out there. And to tell you the truth, to be coming out there at 7 o'clock at night to a theater makes no sense to me.
Can you give me a minute?
Alright, that's fine.
I'm really sorry. I have no idea who called you about that, but there's no way we can be vacant for 48 hours at this point in certain areas.
Okay, so what do you want me to do? You guys want to cancel this?
I guess at this point, yeah, we'd have to cancel.
Okay. I'm just gonna. Who am I speaking with? Because there's a $1,200 down payment from a home office. It says a home office in. I don't know if you guys are.
All right, you know what? Let me talk to the GM. She's here right now. Give me one more second.
Which areas do we have to have closed off?
Well, you know what? It says Theater 4 and 6, but we're coming in there for 300 yards of spraying too.
And it has to be closed for how many days?
Well, the two theaters have to be 48 hours. It's fumigation. That's deadly gas. I can't even be in there. I had to take a 3-week course just to be able to work with it.
Yeah, who did you speak to? Because there's no way we can come in tonight and close the theaters tomorrow.
Hold on, let me check the paper. Hold on. You know what? I was just telling this guy the same thing. Whatever asshole scheduled me the day after Christmas is ridiculous.
Right.
You have any documentation? I got 0419. That's us number they gave us.
No, I have no idea. Do you have a name or?
Terry Bradshaw from let's see, home office. Then just the address for you guys, and then saying at 7 o'clock with we're 6 bombs each theater, and then 300 yards of spraying.
Theaters.
4 and 6.
4 and 6. And you said a Terry Bradshaw?
Yeah, Terry Bradshaw from a home office. I'm guessing. Are you guys the home office?
No, we're just theaters.
Here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna come in tonight. Obviously, there's something wrong, mixed up here, but I still need to pay. So we're gonna come in and do the spraying still. It's 300 yards around the food areas, along all the walls. It's fine. There could be traffic and everything. We will be out of everybody's way. But for the fumigation, we're gonna have to set that up for this weekend.
Okay. What is your name? So I can call you back.
That's right, Ron. You guys should have a procedure manual too to make sure that you guys are avoiding the gas and avoiding. We're gonna be laying out traps. You guys need to avoid all these things because they are hazardous. I don't know how you guys are running a rough show over there. It seems like, but when I come in tonight, I'll bring another pamphlet with me. You guys can make copies from there, and then we'll just go from there.
What is your phone number?
708.
Okay.
296. 0964.
0964.
That's right.
Terry Bradshaw.
That's right.
I'll call you back this afternoon. They're not even there right now. Let me see if I can get their cell phone.
No, that's. Are we still on for 7 then?
I don't want to say yes till
I have to drive out there. That's why I'm calling to confirm now. It's either I drive there or I don't.
Give me 10 minutes and I'll go call at home office right now.
I'm on my way.